Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to crochet this cute mini bag. The base is about 6 inches and it's about 5 inches tall, but you can easily make this into any size you like. The strap is optional and I stitch it right below the strings. The written pattern is available, the link is in the description box. For this project, I use Quite Smart, which is acrylic yarn, a number 4 medium, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice. A 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. Alright, let's get started. We're going to begin with the strap. Leave a long tail for stitching. Make a slip knot. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start on the second chain from hook. That's 1, 2. Turn to the back. Place a single crochet into the back of the chain. And single crochet into the next chain, single crochet, and single crochet into every chain. Total 5 stitches. 1 chain and turn, and place a single crochet into every stitch. Repeat this row for however long you want the strap to be. I stop until the strap is about 13 inches. Once it's done, I stitch the strap inside the bag right below the strings. To begin the bag, make a magic circle. Once the magic circle is made, 1 chain, and this does not count as a stitch. In the magic circle, place 8 half double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull out a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, half double crochet. That's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one, 8. From here, pull the tail to close the circle. To begin the second round, slip stitch into the first stitch, which is this one over here. If you are a beginner, I would suggest to place a stitch marker on the first stitch. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place 2 half double crochet. 1, 2, and 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, and again 2 half double crochet. We're increasing, so place 2 half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, there will be 16 stitches, and I meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place a half double crochet. Increase on the next stitch, so place 2 half double crochet on this stitch. 1, 2 half double crochet, increase, 1 2 half double crochet, increase, and repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 24 stitches, and I meet you on round 4. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, place a half double crochet into 1 2 stitches, then increase on the third stitch. So place 2 half double crochet on this stitch, half double crochet into 2 stitches, then increase, and repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 32 stitches, and I meet you on round 5. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. On this round, place a half double crochet into 3 stitches, 1 2 3, increase, half double crochet into 3 stitches, 1 2 3, increase, and repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 40 stitches, and I meet you on round 6. To begin round 6, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, and place a half double crochet into 1 2 3 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4, then increase, half double crochet into 4 stitches, then increase on the 5th stitch. Repeat this all the way around. By the end of the round, there will be 48 stitches. This is very straightforward, so I will not go on to show you on every round, but you can check the numbers on the screen. And we are increasing by 8 stitches on every round. I stopped increasing on round 9. You can continue to make more increased rounds if you want the bag to be bigger. At the end of round 9, I have a total of 72 stitches, and the base is as big as my hand. From here, we're working with 72 stitches for the rest of the pattern. To begin round 10, slip stitch into the first stitch, 3 chains, 1 2 3, and this counts as a stitch. So this is the first stitch. Then skip the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, double crochet into the next stitch. Then on the stitch that we skipped, this one, on the post, which is this one over here, place a front post double crochet, yarn over, insert around the post like this, pull up a loop, make sure you pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1, double crochet, and double crochet into the next stitch. On the stitch that we skipped, on the post, place a front post double crochet. Yarn over, insert around the post, then finish it like a double crochet stitch. Double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1, double crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, and front post double crochet into the stitch that we skipped. And this is the repeat for this round. Repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you on round 11. To begin round 11, slip stitch into the top of the 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, 1 chain. On this pose, the first pose, place a back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook around the post like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, back post double crochet. Yarn over, insert around the post from behind, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Back post double crochet, and back post double crochet into every stitch. This is to bring out the texture. Repeat this all around, and I'll meet you on round 12. Alright, round 12 is the repeat of round 10. Slip stitch into the first stitch, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and this always counts as a stitch. Skip 1, double crochet, and double crochet into the next stitch, then front post double crochet into the stitch that we skipped. Double crochet into the next stitch, skip 1, double crochet into 2 stitches, 1, 2, front post double crochet into the stitch that we skipped, double crochet into the next stitch. From here, we're repeating round 10 and round 11. You can repeat for as many times as you like. I repeat round 10 and round 11 6 times. And this is going to be my final round. First, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place a single crochet. Skip 1, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, skip 1, single crochet, skip 1, 3 double crochet, and repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the final round, after the 3 double crochet, skip the last stitch, then slip stitch into the first stitch of the previous round. Not the first stitch of this round, but the first stitch of the previous round. 1 chain, cut yarn, and within the tail. For the string, I made 2 chains of 80. You need to make sure the chain is long enough to go around the bag. When insert the chain, I started on the first stitch of the round. In the space after the first stitch of the 3 chain, and out from the space next to the double crochet. In, out, in, out, and repeat this all the way around. The second chain starts on the opposite of the first chain, so it should be somewhere right here. If you like to, you can also count the stitches. And I'm also going through the same spaces as the first chain. Lastly is to weave in the tail. Weave in the tail into the chain. Then tie a knot at the end of the chain. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!